Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. Today we're going to show you how to repair a garden hose. And this is like a 5/8 garden hose. We've had it for years and the end's gotten broken off of it. I put a picture of the end up in the corner. I'll also put a picture of what we're going to use to repair this in the other corner so you can see them up a little bit closer. But the first thing we're going to do is take this end and we're going to cut it off so we've got a nice smooth end. And there's a lot of things you can use. I'm going to use my pocket knife here. Try not to cut my finger off. Just do that and get a nice smooth end. Then we're going to slide this over it. I'm going to push it down a little ways, just get it out of the way, but it's got to go on first. Well, it doesn't have to, but it's best. And then this part goes in the hose pipe. Now if your hose pipe's old, you may have trouble getting it to go in there. There's different things you can do. The washer's trying to fall out. I'm gonna lay it up there, we'll put it back in a minute. But you need to get that pushed in as far as you can. That's not quite all the way. We'll work on getting it in a little bit further. Now if you have trouble getting this to go in, there's things you can do. If you heat the hose pipe a little bit, and be careful not to melt it or anything, but if you heat it a little bit, that can help. A little bit of Vaseline on the inside of the hose pipe can also help. Don't use motor oil or anything like that, because petroleum products will will degrade your rubber. But Vaseline is non-petroleum, and so it won't eat up your rubber. All right, see if I can get this pushed in a little bit further. Now one thing I didn't mention earlier, before you purchase a replacement end for your hose pipe, you got to know there's two different styles. This style, and I'll put a picture of these up in the corner. This is the male end, this is the female end. It's not so much that you know the gender, so to speak, but just by visual looking, you can tell, which style you need. Don't buy one of these if you need one of these. So that's just my tip. And also in the description, I'll have links to where you can purchase these different styles. If you choose to, go to Amazon, it'll be an Amazon link. But we'll put a link in the description to the different parts that you might need. Now at this point we struggled a little bit and we had to get our something to heat the hose pipe because we couldn't get this part to go in all the way. We put a little bit of Vaseline on it, like I mentioned earlier. We heated the rubber, we got it all the way in. Make sure you get it pushed all the way in. And then these two side pieces, they just clamp on the sides. There's a screw on each end. Just tighten those down good and tight. And that's all it takes to fix the end of your hose pipe when it's broken. At this point, just like to say thank you for visiting Do It Yourself with Wayne. We hope you have a great day, and please like and subscribe our video. Thank you.